Cathy from CathyDirector, and in this After Effects tutorial I show you how you can make this awesome energy ball. Let's see. Amazing! For that you need no plugin, you need only Particle World. Okay, let's get started. First we make a new composition. Go to Composition, New, choose whatever you want and make a new solid. Layer, new solid, make it black, choose a mask tool and make some strings. Then click somewhere here and select the layer again and make another one like that. Now go to Effect, Generate Vegas. Set the stroke to your layer, then choose an orange color or a blue one. I use blue now. Set the segments to 1 and the midpoint opacity to 1. Make the start opacity to 0, hardness to 650. Then go back to segments and make white to 4. And now you can see we have here our first stroke. Now and duplicate the Vegas effect, so select the Vegas and hit Edit, Duplicate. Go to second one, go to Mask and choose Mask 2. Then duplicate it again and choose this Vegas and go to Mask 3. Now when I turn off the mask path, you see it all is blue. Now select your layer and go to Layer Pre-Compose. Call this Aligns and hit OK. Next step in this project, go to Effects, Distort, Offset. Next step is go to the beginning of the clip, click the stopwatch of the center point, go to the end of the clip and change it to 2111. So it goes. Then type in your effect panel, polar coordinates. Choose rectangle and the amount to 100. This nice effect. Then we make a new solid. Now choose the ellipse tool and make the size of your lines be like this here. Then go to your mask and hit double MM to feather the mask to 95 and expand this to -84 and hit the mode, bleeding mode, to subtract. So we get this nice effect. Then go to your lines layer, click here to get your, you know what I mean. Set this to alpha inverted. Now select Move and go to Layer Pre-Compose. Call this String Energy. Now make a new solid, black, okay. Drag that under your comp. Make your String Energy layer 3D and hit Ctrl D to duplicate it 2 times. Select the rotation tool and rotate it a bit, whatever you want. You can do so many copy you want. Rotate it again. Select all your string layers and set that to screen. Now we have this nice object here. Next step, go to Layer, New Solid, make it a light blue. Choose the ellipse tool, make a very small point, like that. Hit MM and feather it to 7. Now duplicate the mask, Ctrl D, and feather this to 70. Then make the layer mode bleeding option to add. Now we have this one. Select your layer, duplicate it with Ctrl D, and scale it a bit down. Then make a new solid, make it a bit darker, and make this ellipse bigger than this other before, so hit T for opacity and scale it a bit down. And now drag the ellipse tool, so Alt and make it a bit bigger, like that. Hit MM to feather it to 150. And layer mode to add. Hit T for opacity, so bring it back to 100. Now make a new null object, layer, new null object. Make this 3D. Make your glow circles 3D. Select all your layers, but not the black solid, and parent that to your null object. And now when we turn the null object, all should be moving. That's great. Shut off the eye of the null object so it disappears. Next step is we want to some particles, so go to New Solid, make it black, and make the bleeding mode to add. Then type in your effect panel particle world, double click, make the grind off, go to particle type, fade sphere, change the color to a light blue, and the depth color whatever you want. I choose no R, a bit darker. Okay. Then go to physics and change the velocity to 0,43, the gravity to 0. Then go to birth rate and change it to 0,11. Physics resistance, go to type in 2,9, and in particles go to depth size to 0,01. Now make a new camera, go to layer, new camera, make it 28mm, go to your camera options, make the depth of field on, make the aperture to 432, and now we are finished. You see there are a lot of nice particles. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helps.